Good day. This is our second video on angle in a semicircle. Let's work through the 4 problems quickly. In all these questions, they're asking us to solve for x. In this case, we have to find the value of that angle in the corner there. They told us that this line and this line is equal. We can see there's a diameter over here. That means this is angle in a semicircle at 90 degrees. Let's see how we'll go about solving this problem. We'll start by saying in triangle CED, this whole big triangle, angle E is equal to X is equal to angle D. And your reason is angles opposite equal sides of a triangle. Then we'll write angle C is equal to 90 degrees, angle in half a circle. I always like to write my information in on my sketch. Remember, we're still busy in this triangle CED. Now we say this x plus the 90, so 2x plus 90 equals to 180. My reason, interior angles of a triangle. Then I will minus the 90 on this side. 180 minus 90 is 90. Then I divide by 2 on both sides. Then I have my answer, x equals to 45 degrees. Please stop the video and make sure you understand what happened. In this problem, they're giving us a triangle again with a diameter in a semicircle. They're giving us a 12 centimeter, a 15 centimeter, and asking us to work out the length of that side, x. First we write, in triangle ABC, this whole triangle, angle A is 90 degrees. I wrote it in there. Angle in half a circle, or angle in a semicircle. Now we can use Pythagoras to work out the length of that side. I made a video that says Pythagoras in layman's terms. Look at that if you don't understand. I say short square plus short square is long square. This is the short side, a short side, and the long side. Then we fill in 2 square plus x squared equals 15. This guy squared plus this guy squared equals this one squared. Then, to get the x alone, I move the 12 squared to this side and minus it here. 15 squared is 225, and 12 squared is 144. Then we write x squared equals to 81, square root both sides, so x equals to 9 centimeters, and I like to write it in on my sketch. In the next problem, they're asking us to work out the length of that side, x over there again. You have to know that we have an angle in a semicircle, so we got a 90 degrees here. You should also see that these two lines are equal because they are radii. So are these two, and that also means that these three are all the same length, 5 centimeters. Then we physically write OG equals to 5, they gave it to us, equals to OF equals to OE, because they're all radii. I just wrote them in here for us. Then we write OE plus OF equals to 10 centimeters. Then we write in triangle EGF, the whole big triangle, angle G is 90 degrees, I wrote it in for us. Angle in half a circle, angle in a semicircle. Then we remember that small story that says short square plus short square equals to long square from the video Pythagoras in layman's terms. We take the short square, which is x squared, the other short square, which is 8 squared, equals the long square, which is 10 squared, from the Pythagoras theorem. Then, to get the x squared alone, you minus the 8 squared on that side. Get x squared equals to 36. Square root both sides, x is equal to 6 centimeters. Please stop the video and make sure you understand what happened. The last problem of this video asks us to work out the length of this side over here. They're telling me this is x, this is 9 centimeters. They're telling me that angle is 60 degrees. We have to find the length of x. Please remember what we said in the beginning, that this line and this line is equal, so is this line. They're all 3 radii. Also remember, this is an angle in a semicircle. There's a diameter, there's the angle, so that's 90 degrees. Let's see how we go about writing this answer. We say in triangle OBC, this triangle here, angle C is equal to angle B is equal to y because of the radii. Because these two sides are equal in the triangle, the angles opposite them will be equal, and I wrote in the y's there. Still staying in triangle OBC, this one, we say angle C plus angle B plus angle O equals to 180. Our reason, interior angles of a triangle. Then this C plus B is 2y plus the 60 equals to 180. Then we minus 60 on both sides. 2y is equal to 120. Then we get an answer, y is equal to 60, which I fill in here. Then you'll see I've got all the angles equal to 60 degrees. Then we write this fact down. We say triangle OBC is an equilateral because of the angles opposite equal sides of a triangle. Then we write OC is equal to OB is equal to CB is equal to X, which I write in on my sketch. Then we write OC is equal to OA is also equal to X because of the radii. So all three of these lines are equal, and they're also equal to this guy. Then we write CA's length is equal to 2x because x plus x is 2x. Then we've got an x for this side, a 9 for this side, and a 2x for this side. Then we write in triangle ACB, this whole big triangle, angle B is 90 degrees because of our angle in the semicircle that we're busy with this whole video. Then we use Pythagoras to solve the problem. We're still in this big triangle. We say short square plus short square equals to long square. Then the one short side is the 9, the other one is x, so I write 9 squared plus x squared equals to 2x squared. Please remember to put everything in brackets when you substitute. 9 squared is 81, x squared is x squared, and 2 squared is 4x squared. Now we've got to solve for x. Take all the x's to one side. We minus the x squared from 4x squared is 3x squared. Keep the 81. Divide by 3 on both sides. We get x squared equals 27. Then we square root both sides to get the x alone. So the answer is square root of 27. In this case, they asked us to round it off to one decimal place. So we wrote x rounded off is 5,2 centimeters. That's the answer of x. Please stop the video and see if you understand what happened. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked this video and subscribe to the channel. If there's any school mathematical problem that you run into that you can't solve, you can send that problem to us with a WhatsApp photo to this number. Then we will try and solve the problem and send back an answer to you as soon as possible for free. Enjoy geometry.